adage goes, every cloud has its silver lining. After the demise of the enigma, indomitable leader Raila Odinga, Kenyans were downcast, hopeless, and wondering who will step up with the same commanding voice, courage, charisma, and affiliations as Baba was.
Raila Amolo Odinga.
Of course, there were already old faces on the block, like Rigathi Gachagua, a leader from Central Region, famously known as Mlima Kingpin, Kalonzo Musyoka, Ukambani Kingpin, Fred Matiang'i, former CS for Internal Security, George Natembeya, and Eugene Wamalwa from Western Region, who were already pillars on the opposition. Then all of a sudden, a rap chants, songs emerged, and slogans made, Mimi ndiyo Sifuna, Sisi ndiyo Sifuna. Words that are commonly used by Edwin Sifuna during his introductions in his addresses.
Munaniona vizuri? Munaniona vizuri? Uko juu munaniona vizuri? Mimi ndio Sifuna.
Edwin Sifuna, a brilliant young man from Western Kenya, lawyer by profession, currently the Senate of Nairobi, Legal Secretary General of ODM, and Deputy Minority Leader in the Senate. He came into limelight in 2017, where he vied for nominations of Member of Parliament of Kandui constituency on ODM ticket, but lost to David Makali. This is the same constituency that his late uncle Lawrence Sifuna led as the Member of Parliament from 1979 to 1997. After this terrible loss, Edwin Sifuna, having served as the advisory team participant of ODM for years, he had created a good rapport with its leaders, and especially Raila Amolo Odinga. Therefore, he was given a direct ODM ticket to vie for Senate of Nairobi in general elections, where he lost to Jubilee Johnson Sakaja by a small margin. After general elections in 2017, Ababu Namwamba had a bitter exchange of words with Raila Odinga, an incident that led to Namwamba's resignation, leaving the office vacant.
I have, of all my own free will, my own volition, resigned. Let the message go out there unequivocally, unambiguously, without prevarication or circumlocution, that I have relinquished the position of Secretary General. I feel free, I feel light, I feel ready for the next course in my political journey.
It is here where Edwin Sifuna is appointed the Secretary General of ODM.
From today, I, Edwin Sifuna, is the Secretary General of the party, Orange Democratic Movement. It's not as if we are throwing anyone out. That office is vacant. It has been vacant for the past 18 months, and we are only...
He became a loyal stalwart to Raila and the ODM party at all costs, and even in situations that were quite intriguing, neither Raila's close allies nor his siblings who are in politics were there, but Edwin Sifuna. Along the journey, he was keenly taking notes, learning, and practicing. He turned into a very vocal leader of the party and brought a lot of reforms to ODM party. In the 2022 general elections, he had revamped, rooted in ODM, and gave Nairobi senatorial seat a second shot. This time, it was a walkover for him. He garnered 716,876 votes.
Watenya Sifuna as duly elected as Senator, Nairobi City County.
He remained a true patriot, vocal leader, especially during the Senate proceedings, and protected Baba at all costs. Frontier demonstrations that were led by Raila. He is seen as a leader who has people at heart, that he has several protected citizens whenever their rights are being infringed, stopping police brutality in many cases. An act that has made youth to love him so much. Edwin Sifuna, he didn't start today to oppose the sitting president, William Ruto. He started doing so even when Raila was still alive. The difference between him and President Ruto escalated during the funeral of George Odor, where Sifuna told the president that he is the one who is called Edwin Sifuna, addressing issues of insecurity and other fundamental issues.
Mheshimiwa Rais, mimi ndio Sifuna. Wanasema Waswahili, mwiba wa kujidunga hauambiwi pole. Kuna watu kwa serikali yako kazi yao ni kushika handball kila siku. Sasa kama hii drama yote tumeona Nakuru, ati watoto wanakatazwa kufanya mchezo, sijui wanapigwa tear gas, sijui wanafukuzwa. Hiyo ni mwiba wa kujidunga, Mheshimiwa Rais. Wale ambao wanahusika na kufanya kazi yako ikuwe ngumu, read them the riot act, kwa sababu tunajua kazi yako ni ngumu zaidi, wasifanye ikuwe ngumu zaidi.
Where in return, President threatened Sifuna to stop pointing fingers at him or he will consult the elders of ODM and will have to face consequences.
Na nimesikia Sifuna anaongea na nguvu. Wakati unaongea mambo yangu Sifuna, ujue mimi ndio mwanzilishi wa ODM, so naenda polepole kidogo. Yes. Hivi ndio tulianza hii kitu.
At this moment, William Ruto and Raila Odinga had agreed to work together in the broad-based government. Despite this, Raila never stopped Edwin Sifuna from criticizing the government. Instead, he said, when Sifuna speaks, he is speaking on behalf of the party.
And the spokesman of the party is usually the Secretary General. So Sifuna, when Mr. Sifuna speaks, he's speaking on behalf of the party.
A secret and a tale no one is able to tell up to date. But slowly, the rifts and cracks were widening amongst ODM unknowingly. One faction in the government and the other in the opposition. When Baba kicked the basket, Oburu Odinga was reinstated as the party leader of ODM and started to plan the oust of Edwin Sifuna as the Secretary General due to his strong stand against the government.
Has designated the Senator of Siaya County, Honorable Dr. Oburu Odinga, to be the acting party leader until the time that the top party organs will meet and elect a substantive party leader to fit in the big shoes that have been left by our leader. Thank you.
The faction led by Oburu Odinga and spent into term, while the other faction led by Edwin Sifuna and spent one term. While Oburu Odinga and his Linda Ground team has been working day and night to finish Sifuna politically, Edwin Sifuna is continuing to gain not only fame but also the ground.
It is only him who does not come. So what do we do? Do you want us to go and he is not the Pope? Do you want us to go and beg him that Sifuna come later?
He has turned into a movement that he is commanding crowds as Raila used to. He has become more vocal, more courageous, some saying that the spirit of Baba has risen.
Oe, munaniona vizuri pale juu kwa reli, munaniona vizuri, nipungie mkono kama unaniona vizuri. Hapa katikati munaniona vizuri, huku munaniona vizuri. Mimi ndio Sifuna.
With the help of Baba Wino, James Orengo, Caleb Amisi, Ososi, and other Linda Mwananchi affiliates, he has become an formidable force to an extent that people are calling themselves Sisi Ndio Sifuna. An affirmative that people are with him and he is not alone.
Ukiangalia huko mbele utaona Sifuna. Utaona nani? Sifuna. If you don't know what I'm saying, go home.
Today, Sisi Ndio Sifuna movement is already self-funding their meetings with masses attending all over the country. And of course, numbers don't lie.
The reason why we put Sisi Ndio Sifuna was not for Gachagua to become president. Sure. Was not for Kalonzo to become president. Sure. Kama ingekuwa ni hivyo, tungekuwa tumesema kitambo sisi ni Kalonzo. Tungekuwa tumesema kitambo sisi ni Gachagua. We want them to help us commit to the duty of our generation. Yeah. Our generation, they want a new person. They don't want the old people. Yeah. And that's why we are saying Linda Mwananchi presidential candidate is none other than Edwin Sifuna.
Sifuna, a beast that has been unleashed and can't be stopped. Thank you for watching Eliza TV. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time.